Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I have a small Dollar Tree haul for y'all. Okay. And a lot of this stuff is new to the Dollar Tree in the town where I live. So we'll see. This is definitely something a little new. It is some metal stickers that I'm going to be happy to be using. These are not so new, but I'll be using these on a project. These here are new. I had 4 packs, but I used one on the project. And these are some chalkboard stickers here. So I'm gonna be testing these out and see how good they are. These are new to my area, and also these chalkboard square circles are new to my area. So that is all for this Dollar Tree haul, y'all. And I will see you. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.